conditions. It means either. Sometimes that's all we need. Other times, we need both or all conditions to be met. This is where AND comes in handy. So first, replace the maximum to 10. Then, after this print, put an elif. Then, use your answer equals str parentheses 1 and mystery number is greater than 4 colon. Two conditions to be met here. User answer must be 1 and mystery number must be greater than 4. If we have both conditions, that is the only time the following message will be printed. So let's put a print here. 1 is a good number, but the mystery number is, then mystery number. So let's run the AND tutorial. I'm thinking of a whole number from 1 to 10. Guess my number and you shall be rewarded. Let's type 1. 1 is a good number, but the mystery number is 10. Let's type 1. 1 is a good number, but the mystery number is 8. 1. Almost there. The mystery number was 2. Your guess was 1. 1. Sorry, the mystery number is 3. Your guess was 1. 1 is a good number, but the mystery number is 7.